Today, we are going to talk about what is distant Reiki and the 5 things you need to know. Let's get to it. Nam, lovely soul. I'm Cassandra, but you can call me Cass, your official go-to Reiki master teacher at Universal Healings Center. Distant Reiki is an energy healing technique that uses universal life force energy to help promote physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Practitioners act as a conduit, sending Reiki energy throughout time and space to anyone to make sure that it reaches you to the here and now. That's the beauty, and that's the mystical, magical energy sense of Reiki, because it can be programmed. This healing modality can be extremely beneficial when unavailable to be in person. If you're looking into distant Reiki, there are 5 things you need to know, so stay tuned until the end of this video. 1. Remote healing is effective, efficient, and safe. Although remote healing works over great distances, and unlike conventional therapies, it doesn't require physical contact with a practitioner. It still produces powerful results for all types of conditions, including stress management, chronic illnesses, and injury. 2. There are different processes for sending energy. The different processes used is based on the practitioner's preference. There can be a proxy element or a surrogate. No matter the method used, it's all absentee distant healing, which is generally learned on Reiki level 2 practitioner level. The connection can be so strong that you may feel like the practitioner is actually with you. This can be done with intentions, using crystals, candles, visualization, and many other things out there that is within a practitioner's preference. Number 3, during a distant Reiki session, trust is key. In order for distant Reiki to work properly, trust must be established between the practitioner and the recipient. Number 4, follow-up sessions can enhance your benefits. As with any process for personal growth, distant healing often requires multiple sessions, spaced out over time, to fully reap the positive effects that it can have on your body, mind, and your spirit. Or in this case, if you're participating in the themed distant Reiki sessions here on this channel, you can listen to these between 14 to 30 days on loop while sleeping, or at any designated time that you allow yourself. Just focus on the specific goals and intentions during each session to help target your long-term goal that you're working towards. Number 5, distant Reiki combines well with all other healing modalities and therapies out there. Reiki is not just a one-and-done deal. Reiki can be complemented with any other type of modalities that you are doing, whether that is yoga, going to therapy, meditation, or anything else in between, because it allows you to further your progression towards your desired goal, whether that involves spiritual development, personal development, developing better relationships, relationship with yourself, a fulfilling career, anything on the physical level, and anything else in between. If you found this information helpful, be sure to love tap that subscribe button and flick that little chime to receive Reiki goodness each time we upload a video. And remember, you being here right now will transform your life for positive change, unlocking your body's natural energies. So until next time.